4-wheel drive. Yeah, but look how high, that's going to be impossible to lift it. I'd rather if you were back down on the flat spot. I'm taking a video.
Good now?
Yeah, that's good.